From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a pretty routine day here across the Acadiana, summer-like day, I should say, with temperatures low to mid-90s this afternoon. A few cooling showers. However, the chance of a cooling shower going down dramatically here over the next several days as a ridge of high pressure is pretty much going to start dominating the forecast, and some pretty big heat on the way as well. So here's the satellite radar composite, and no major issues late this evening. As mentioned, we did see a few of those thunder showers earlier this afternoon. Rain coverage was at about 30%, but all of that has since rained itself out. No action back to the west, so we are looking to stay pretty quiet through the rest of this evening and overnight tonight, albeit pretty warm and muggy. Overnight lows settling into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Meanwhile, out in the tropics, as expected, Brett pretty much getting torn apart completely by strong upper level wind shear, so that has pretty much gone by the wayside. We do have Cindy right behind it, or what was right behind it. It has winds of 60 miles per hour. We had the latest 10 o'clock advisory here, moving to the northwest at 17, and that's going to continue to track into the open waters of the Atlantic, but it too will be encountering some pretty unfavorable conditions, so it is expected to weaken down the line into the early parts of next week. And outside of that, no concerns and no threats from the tropics, so that is some good news. Let's pick it up with the graph model a little bit later on tonight. We'll see those temperatures upper 70s to lower 80s. That's where we'll start the day tomorrow. Maybe some patchy clouds first thing in the morning. Otherwise, a mostly sunny sky into the afternoon. It'll be quite hot out there, mid to upper 90s. Notice not much green showing up on the map. That's that ridge of high pressure in the upper levels really starting to flex its muscle, so rain chances pretty much down 5% or less. Upper 70s to lower 80s is where we'll start Monday. Now, kind of interesting, we will see a weak upper level disturbance try to push through from the north, and that could clip extreme northern portions of Acadiana first thing Monday morning, so just enough to keep rain chances 5 to 10%, but then outside of that, it's going to be back to mostly sunny sky into Monday afternoon. Quite hot, upper 90s, those heat indices surpassing 110. Meanwhile, the backyard forecast for tomorrow, not a bad day to hit the pool. Might want to actually get in the pool because it's going to be quite hot out there. Your high temperatures ranging anywhere from 96 to 98 degrees. UV also very high this time of year at and around 11, so don't forget the sunblock if you're going to be heading out. Those heat indices, again, and heat advisory criteria for tomorrow, top it out as high as 110, 111 during the hottest part of the day. Of course, that's late morning into the afternoon hours, so if you are going to be outdoors for an extended period of time, make sure you're taking breaks and drinking plenty of fluid. 79 will be your projected low tonight. Fair to partly cloudy skies out there. Again, some cloud cover first thing tomorrow morning. Otherwise, a mostly sunny type of day. A heat advisory will be in effect across all of Acadiana thanks to those high heat indices. Actual air temperatures should get up to around 97 with rain chances no better than 5%. Similar story on Monday. That's first thing in the morning, though, for extreme northern Acadiana. Otherwise, the 98 will be your projected high, and then we are pushing well into the upper 90s and lower 100s for the better part of the upcoming week. Hottest time period is going to be pretty much Tuesday through Saturday. Rain chances not too terribly high on any of those days as well. Overnight lows warm and muggy, upper 70s to lower 80s, but still cautiously optimistic that we'll see a little bit of a break in the pattern. Some slightly better rain chances returning as we head toward the end of that 10-day period for the first full week of July. We'll see how that plays out, but something's going to have to give at that point.
Cautiously optimistic. I like that. I like that about you, Bradley.
I think July will have better news for us. Hopefully, it's our second heat wave in June, so hopefully we can start to turn things around. We'll see.
Good stuff,
No
Bradley.
problem.
I'll try to be as optimistic as you. Thanks for that.